Hey everyone, welcome back to Savvy Signs. Today we're going to be doing a Snow White makeup tutorial. Let's get started. So first I'm going to be using this e.l.f. primer. It's just going to get my face a little bit smoother so it's not so dry. Next, I'm going to be using some powder. So this is going to go on top of it instead of foundation, but if you want to use foundation, feel free to do that instead. I also chose the palest color they had in this powder, just to make me look a little bit more pale like Snow White. So I have a lot of freckles and a lot to hide, so I had to reapply it a couple times. So next we're going to be using some concealer. As you can see, I have two little acne bumps that I'd like to cover up. So I'm just going to apply that directly to my face, and then I'm going to rub it in with my finger to make sure it matches. And then I'm going to go back and add some more powder just to smooth it all in and make it all even. Next, I'm going to be using some blush. Now, Snow White has really rosy cheeks, so I'm just going to smile to do this technique. It makes it a little bit easier to find your cheekbones so that you can highlight those with the blush. Next, I'm going to have some eyeshadow. So we're using white and this darker brown color today. So first I'm going to apply the white onto my eyelid. It's going to highlight that and make my eyelids pop a little bit more. It's okay to get messy with this. You can go and fix it later by wiping it off. And then next I'm going to be using the dark brown. So I'm going to do this on the other half of my eyelid that's closer to the corner. And we want to put it on and then kind of smooth it in the middle, so it kind of creates this ombre effect from white to brown. And then I'm going to go and put some white on top, and this kind of pops the entire eye as a whole, and it also creates this solid line. Next, I'm going to use this brown eyebrow pencil. Now, my eyebrows are pretty dark already, but this just fills it in a little bit right there at the tip. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on both. And then it also darkens it and makes it a little bit more brown as well. And then I'm going to flip the pencil over and use the brush part to comb out my eyebrows and make them a little bit more even and smooth. Next, we are going to be using eyeliner. I really like the liquid eyeliner because it dries a lot faster and it's easier to use than a pencil. I don't like having to resharpen them over and over. So here's the first eye. It's very simple for Snow White, so no wing or anything super crazy. And here's the other one. Now I'm just gonna go and fix a little bit more of it. Okay, so this is pretty close to what she looks like. We're gonna do a couple more steps. So now we're going to be adding some red lipstick. Of course, that's her signature color. So I just apply it at the bottom first, in a big clump there, and then I apply it at the top really smoothly, and then I try to go in the inside of my lip to get everything. Smear it all together, and you're done. And last but not least, we're going to be using some mascara. This is one of the last things I like to do so that I don't have to touch all over my face and accidentally smear everything else. So we're applying the last part of the mascara here. And that's it for the makeup, so all we have to do is get our costume ready. And that's it, everyone. Snow White makeup tutorial. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.